Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to create group Microsoft Outlook on computer. So how to create group Microsoft Outlook on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Outlook on your computer. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Outlook. To add a group in Microsoft Outlook, just go. Direct the cursor to the upper left corner of the computer screen. Here there is a home icon. And tap. Then tap on the down arrow section in New Email. And a scrolling menu will appear. Here there are many menu options. Tap the New Group menu. Here the Group Creation menu will appear. In the group name, fill in the name of the group you want to create. You can also fill in the description of the group. After finishing, tap Create. Now here you will be asked to add members to the group we created. Enter the Outlook account of your friend or coworker. After finishing, tap Add. The group creation is complete. To see the group that has been created, on the home menu down, and tap Go to Group. Well, here we'll enter the group menu. Can be seen the group that was just created in some groups in my Outlook. So that's it, tutorial how to create group Microsoft Outlook on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.